Dalawa sa mga goals namin dito sa Japan ang natupad na. Konnichiwa everyone! I'm Jella, a Pinay mom ALT here in Yamaguchi, Japan. Alam niyo ba na before kami lumipad pa Japan ay may listahan kami ng mga gusto naming ma-accomplish habang nandito kami? Pinag-pray at sinulat talaga namin yung listahan na yon habang nasa Pilipinas pa kami. We wanted to remind ourselves why we came here, what our goals were, and to make sure na hindi kami ma-out of track. One of the biggest goals on that list was to bring our family here to Japan so they could experience, even just for a short time, the life we've been blessed to have here. Thankfully, God answered that prayer. We were able to bring my nanay just 3 months after we arrived in Japan, and then my kuya the following year. Yeah, thank you for standing strong for our family. Right after graduating from college, you chose to work immediately because you had 3 younger siblings who still needed to finish school. Thank you for putting our future before your own. Nay, thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo para sa amin. Maraming beses kang nagtiis, halos makuba sa kakalaba, mapasma sa pagpaplansya, isinantabi ang sarili para unahin kaming mga anak mo. Honestly, bringing them here to Japan is nothing compared to everything they did for me while I was growing up. I still have financial obligations and bills to settle, but I kept telling myself, not every opportunity waits. I didn't bring them here because I'm rich or because life suddenly became easy. I brought them here because I wanted them to experience, kahit kaunti lang, the fruit of all the sacrifices they planted in my life. And honestly, my heart is so full. Every smile they had, every picture we took, every place we visited together, it felt like God was giving me a chance to give back, even in a small way. And you know the biggest lesson I've learned? Sometimes, the greatest blessings are waiting outside our comfort zone. Kung pinili kong manatili sa Pilipinas dahil sa takot, dahil sa sasabihin ng ibang tao, o dahil komportable na ako, I probably wouldn't have been able to bring them here. So, if you have a dream, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone or kung anong sasabihin ng ibang tao. Because sometimes, your breakthrough isn't just for you. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, kundi para din sa mga taong nasa paligid mo na unang naniwala, nagsakripisyo at nagmahal sa'yo kahit na hindi ka pa nananalo sa buhay. Lord, thank you. Sulit lahat. And now, we're praying that someday we'll also be able to bring sila Mama E here sa Japan. That's all for today's video. Ariga thanks. Mata ne!